been about a month and a few days, possibly a week. I'm really not keeping track of all my days. This video is all about my gear. So I've swapped some things out and I've kept some things, and I want to show you guys what I have and what it takes to basically cross Canada. Why not show you guys? Today I only did 50 kilometers, kept it really easy because I rested for 2 days in Winnipeg, and I just wanted to feel out the bike, the new gear, see how things are working. I went to the Mac store and got a few replacements actually. So one of them is the wheel of the bike, and then the other replacements are the tent and sleeping pad. I went from a one-person tent to a two-person tent. Everything that I've needed so far, the essentials, things that I thought were useful, valuable, and things that I felt like were not useful at all. Let's go through all the stuff that I use while crossing Canada. This is basically the setup of the bike. We got the 2 panniers in the back. The food bag goes here in the middle, and then coming over here, this is the middle part. I keep small snacks and things like that in there. And then of course the front bag. The table is basically divided into different sections. So this is one side of my pannier bag. So all of the stuff over here goes into one side of the bag. So that's typically the left side. And then this side here goes on the right side. That's typically my sleeping stuff. So tent, sleeping bag, first aid kit. We have some snacks. So this bag is full of snacks here. We have a micro towel, a jacket, and so these are just kind of like small things like underwear, socks, anything that's like kind of small cloth. Over here we have everything that's on the back of the bike, so on the rack. So sometimes I'll bring extra liquid with me. That's really important. And then over here, of course, we have my food bag, which carries about 10 liters worth of food. It's really good. It's only gone empty once actually, which was a scare because that's when I needed it most. And then of course I got my flip-flops here, which are really cool. They are a Reef brand. The middle section of my bike, so there's like a I think it's called the bar bag or something. Anyways, I'll show it to you. So here I just have a few creams. I have a security lock, glasses, sunglasses, lip chap. I have some trail mix. Obviously Cliff bars are really awesome. That's something that I always swear by. And of course then we have some hydration tablets. This goes to the front part of my bike. So this is everything to do with things that I really need quick access to. So we have flashlight, wallet, different pairs of socks, the gloves, and a quick little micro towel just to wipe down whatever it is that I need to wipe down, lip chap. And over here are shorts, a jacket that can be compressed into this tiny little size. These are the sunglasses that I use for cycling most of the time. They protect me from the wind, the bugs, and everything else. And here is my storage device. So I also have a lot of memory cards and things like that, so that all goes in there. The other side of the bag, so I have a backpack here. It's a 19 liter, so what I do is I basically fold it up, put it in the bottom of the panniers, and I keep this empty. But when I'm in the city or moving around, I'll be moving around in this backpack. I really love this backpack. It's a black diamond. However, I think next time when I travel, I'm gonna go with something a lot smaller, something that can be compressed into this size as opposed to that, because it doesn't quite fold very well. Then I have my laundry bag, which also carries my Nike Freeze. So right now I have just a few clothes in here, a pump here, so I'm able to check the pressure. It has the gauge right there. I think that's pretty important. We have some more electronic bags. So this one here just basically carries my universal charger. This was a big mistake to carry with me. I never used it once. I have a spare storage device. That one actually broke down, so I'm just kind of carrying this pouch here as an empty weight. And over here we have the kind of electronics that I usually, actually I put this here in that section. So I usually use this to carry all my wires, chargers, headphones and whatnot. I like to keep it in the bag because it keeps it separate from everything else. Here we have my laptop, a writing pad, and small Bose speakers. These are really good to have. My bag full of clothes. My rain jacket is an Arc'teryx jacket. Spare tubes. So all of that fits into one side of the pannier. Then of course my helmet over there. This is the seat bag, and this just basically carries some lubricant for the chain. I have a pocket knife in here, tools, everything that I need to do to basically fix up my bike.